Welcome back to Auto Studio. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the latest automotive news and reviews. Now, let's dive right into the future of luxury and performance, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz lineup. 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for Mercedes-Benz as the brand continues to evolve its iconic lineup with new designs, cutting-edge technology, and a deeper commitment to sustainability. The brand's dedication to delivering premium vehicles is clearer than ever, and 2025 is setting the stage for some groundbreaking advancements. One of the most anticipated models is the 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQS, the luxury electric sedan that has already impressed with its sleek styling and innovative tech. But for 2025, Mercedes has taken it a step further with even more advanced autonomous driving capabilities and a wider range of battery options, making it more efficient and capable than ever. With longer range and faster charging times, the EQS is becoming more accessible for those who want to embrace electric without compromising on luxury or performance. Next, let's talk about the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class, or as it's more affectionately known, the G-Wagon. This legendary off-roader is known for its bold, boxy design, and it's not straying too far from tradition. However, the 2025 G-Class will offer more tech features, enhanced interior comfort, and a turbocharged hybrid powertrain, all while keeping that unmistakable G-Wagon presence. Whether you're taking it on a rugged trail or cruising through city streets, the G-Class is an icon that refuses to be outdone. The 2025 S-Class sedan is also getting some significant updates. Mercedes-Benz has long been the leader in the luxury sedan segment, and with the new S-Class they're continuing to redefine what it means to travel in comfort and style. The 2025 S-Class will feature a completely redesigned interior with an emphasis on ergonomics and tech integration. Expect new touchscreen interfaces, a fully digital instrument cluster, and an advanced driver assistance system. Plus, the cabin will be even more luxurious, featuring top-tier materials and cutting-edge entertainment systems. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Class is expected to further refine the compact luxury car experience. This sleek sedan continues to appeal to those who want the prestige of a Mercedes-Benz without the hefty price tag of larger models. Expect more power under the hood, a more refined design, and even more technology, including improved voice command features and enhanced safety systems. The Class is perfect for drivers who want the luxury experience but in a smaller, more agile package. And let's not forget the growing shift toward electric. Mercedes-Benz will continue its commitment to electric mobility in 2025, expanding its EQ series with more models. This includes the all-electric EQS SUV, which will offer even more versatility for those looking for an eco-friendly option without sacrificing space or performance. So, whether you're a fan of luxury sedans, high-performance SUVs, or electric vehicles, 2025 is shaping up to be a monumental year for Mercedes-Benz.